All right, so welcome to this beautiful location.
Thank you.
Today we have the CEO of Appsable with us, Mr. Swarab Das. I have a couple of questions for you, if you're willing to answer.
Sure.
Okay, so firstly, what the people want to know is why did you keep the name Appsable for your brand?
Okay.
What inspired it, and what do you do as the CEO?
Okay. This is a fantastic question. Uh, Actually, we started with the concept to make a brand which is for health, and that's why we were looking for a name which is related, which can, the people can, and our brand can align with. So we had a couple of them in our mind. Then we have a family meeting, and then my son, Shreyash, he came up with this brilliant idea of absolute wellness and with a short of AppSoWell. So that means absolute wellness, which we all are looking for. So this is actually the background for this name.
All right, so the second question for you is as we've seen that your product, who is your target market? Is it only the wealthy or is it the entire mass of India?
No, of course not. We do place our product in the premium affordable range. By saying that, what I mean is uh, uh, we try to keep it as close as possible to the mass. Our products are priced in the range between 700 and 800. But we also try to give as much as a discount to bring the price closer little bit to the more affordability. Generally, sometimes we give even 10-15% discount. Now, one thing we need to understand here, 700 800 rupees in India is quite affordable. I mean, if you go with your family or if you go for a movie, a theater, or a day outing, you spend 2-3 times more than that, or at least double of that. Now, for this money, what you are getting 30 days supply, or some products even 60 days, which are once a day, because most of our products comes in 60 capsules a bottle. If it is once a day, you cover 2 months. If it's twice a day, which I think currently we have on the curcumin, it is at least a month. That means each capsule you're spending each day around 7-8 rupees for your health, which is the very important and which is the basics. If I feel personally that you must spend at least this money for you to lead your life, to take care of your family, to take care of your income, to take care of your future and everything. So by saying that, yes, we do keep a very affordable range, but we also give premium. It's not that we sell something in 200 300 rupees where we cut corners, or we give a very simple, like for example, we have encapsulation technology, which makes our product absorb more into the body, and that will result in more effect. So this all has a price. So we try to accommodate all these facilities of good quality, uh, uh, good sustainable product, researched product, science-backed product at this price.
All right, that is fantastic. It's great to hear that Upswell is affordable to everyone.
Yeah.
So moving on, we've seen that you had a complete overhaul of your website and packaging. Why have you decided to redesign at this point?
Okay. uh, Initially, we started the brand, and we designed the package based on a couple of things. We tried to read the people's mind. See, I'll tell you something. Most of our concerns and desire are primarily through our brain, our perception of feelings, and what when you are happy and you have a pain, you will realize your pain is half reduced. When you're sad, even if you don't have pain, you will feel heavy. You feel, I mean, those are human nature. So we try to keep it a little bit vibrant, and we followed certain archetype so that we can connect to our customers, end users more correctly. Then we realized after using it some time that we somewhere there is a gap and we are unable to connect our customers as we were planning to do. That's why we took the step of revamping the entire packaging. Yes, we spent money on that. We spent additional money, and we are not charging back to our customers on that. Our price ranges are still the same, but we try to make it more clear. Our packages should be more clearly visible to our customers. It should convey the benefits and what they are getting more clearly, and we want to have a uniformity in our package so that people can understand and can identify this brand, and can, from a crowd, they can say, okay, yes, this is the one we need, because this is good. So that's why we revamped it.
All right. So the next question is there any thought of expanding Apsival beyond India, making it an international brand?
Of course, we want to be the number one company of the world. That's the dream towards which we are working. But we know that reaching there is not an overnight job. That's why we started uh, India-wise, nation-wise. Our first priority is to give this service to human, anybody who has a concern. For example, anybody who is a joint pain, maybe from whichever country, we are there to solve their problem. But handling logistics, handling the entire operations, handling the entire management, at this moment, the initial stage is difficult. So we started in India. Once we are quite sure that our products are covered by each and every people, every corner of India, we will definitely go out and ask people to use it, because we believe and we know that this is very important. As we say, it is for absolute wellness, and anybody in this world, any human being deserves it and should get it.
Perfect. That's great to hear. Okay, so one last question for you. What are your plans for the future? What's the vision that Apsival as a brand is currently seeing for the next few years to come?
If you ask me, the vision and the future, what I believe and I want to see, I don't want to see even a single person in this entire world who is suffering from any of these problems, pain, which can be controlled by themselves. By saying that, what I mean is there are certain things which automatically happens. Our body degenerates in time. We do not have much to do on that. Yes, we can delay that process, but yes, we cannot absolutely take it out. But what we can try is by minimizing the ones which contributes from our side. That means if you take care of your joint, see, it's a bone, you're using it, the joints, if you're using it day in day out, it is going to degenerate. So if you take the right type of supplements at the right time, you may slower the process, enjoy your life more. Your gut, which is the main problem of any diseases, any lifestyle. Now, what we do is we eat a lot, whatever we get without thinking. So our gut should be ready to take all this and process it rightly. So we are our supplements helps in all this. So my vision in future is to offer this service worldwide. We want to be the number one brand in the world, which people can trust and depend on. We come from India, which is the house of Ayurveda. 1,000 years back, we did it, and we achieved it. Due to the current lifestyle and due to the current busy schedule, people tends to forget it or couldn't cope up with this. So we want to bring it with the new technology. We are in 2024, 25. So with this new technology, we combine to offer people and tell them that, see, absolute wellness is your right to be a human. It's your human right. You have to take care of it. You have to understand it. That's why we heavily invest on education, knowledge, so that not only taking our supplements will help you, you have to know why you are taking it. You have to find a solution. And the final dream of mine is the day companies like Absolute Wellness do not need to sell anything. People make their body that capable that they can live on their own, a healthy lifestyle with a healthy mind. That is the day when, a perfect solution for this. Until then, yes, we are there, we are solving it, and we want to be the number one brand in India, and in future, number one brand in the world.
All right, Mr. Swaroop, thank you for your wonderful insights.
Thank you so much for your time, and really, it was a pleasure sitting with you and meeting you and answering your question. Thank you so much.
We'll be back soon.
Have a great day.